Welcome back, y'all. We're going to give y'all a weekly update of everything that happened over at the condo. As we left off in the last video, we had the plumbers come in and we are redesigning the floor plan and the whole layout of the master bath. So this week we did get our bathroom fixtures installed, but now we've got some big holes in our subfloor, so we're going to have to go back and redo a lot of it. So that's what we're going to work on this week, and Ben's going to go over and kind of tell y'all some things that he's worked on and the plumbers did.
Hey guys, I'm in here in the guest bath. The plumber just left. We now have a tub and a shower here. We don't have the fixtures for the faucet and the shower head and all that yet. We'll have to pick that out later. But at least we have it in here now. We've got the shower installed, the master bath, and everything's done in there. They had to do more to the floor than I was anticipating. It's kind of a mess, a lot more that I got to put back and piece together. I'll show you some of that in a minute. But they had to take out a wall here. I wasn't anticipating that either, and part of the sheetrock in a closet. So let's go take a look at that. Here's a little better view of the tub, the shower. The shower head's going to go up there. It's just really rough plumbed in, but at least we've got it in here. So now we can get the sheetrockers in here. Okay, here we are in the guest bedroom. This is the closet. And you can see where they removed this section of sheetrock to get the plumbing like they wanted it. Looks good. I'm not complaining. Sheetrockers fix that up in no time. So this is now what my master bath looks like. I've got my toilet plumbed back there. And the new bathtub will go back here. Plumbing's run. The shower's over in this corner. They had to redo the plumbing more than I was anticipating. I was just thinking they could just move each individual fixture, you know. Like this bathtub here, the fixture only moved about 1.5 feet, 2 foot, but this was probably the neatest one. But to run the drain lines, they had to tear out a lot more subfloor. I guess my point here, I wasn't expecting to be able to see sheetrock of the condo below me. So I got to be careful where I walk. Get this piece back in where the subfloor is going to, catch one of these 2x4s everywhere, so I don't have anything that'll wiggle or squeak. And then I'll come back in with my the top subfloor, and tie everything together like I had it. That's the plan for now, but a little disappointing, but I can make it work. Okay guys, we're back down at the condo. We're out on the balcony. Y'all have seen from the video what the inside of the condo looks like. I haven't shown her the bathrooms yet. It was kind of a good news, bad news kind of deal. There's, let's just say the plumbers did a little more than I was expecting. I know it's going to be more than she was expecting. I just say it's not as bad as it looks. So,
He's scaring me now. Yeah.
So let's take her in and show her new showers.
Yeah. I can't wait.
And whatever else is there. But now we've got Teresa here. This is her first look at it. So what do you think?
I think it looks like kind of how you described it. And I'm kind of standing over here nestled beside the shower, because this flooring that he's kind of laid down here was just to cover up this big hole. So it's not really secure yet. So don't really want to step on that area. But over here, I do like the shower. The shower looks really good, and I'm really glad that we went with the redesign of this bathroom and laid it out a little bit differently. I've never had a shower like this, so I'm excited to have a shower that works like this, because the door on this is just, I love this. Very easy glide. And if anybody is interested in, what kind of fixtures we got, comment below, let us know, and we'll try to put a link to the ones that we got, and we purchased all of ours at Lowe's.
All right. Well, let's go look at the other shower in the secondary bath.
Let's do it. Wow, that looks amazing. I really like that. This looks really good. It already looks like a bathroom just by putting this in.
Yeah, it's a major improvement.
They did a great job. And see, the floor in here is fine, but I guess because we left this little insert just like it was.
Yeah, we didn't move anything around in here like we did the other bathroom.
Yeah. Well, I like the bathtub. Looks nice.
Good deal.
And we could have went one with doors, and I think we still have doors from the previous one, but I don't think we're gonna go there. I think I'd just rather just put up a pole and do like a sliding shower curtain. I think is more of what we're gonna go with. So yeah, I think it's nice.
Yay! She's not mad at me.
No, not at all. So now we just had to go back to work, Ben did, and really just go in and redo the subfloor that he'd already done. You know, he just kind of had to piece it back together. Luckily, we were able to salvage all the pieces that we had used. So we just went through, used scrap wood, so we didn't have to go out and purchase any more wood for the subfloor. We were able to piece back the scraps, and we did have one sheet that we didn't use from us doing it the previous time. So luckily we didn't have to spend any more money on this. We just used what we had. He did have to go in and put a few studs in here and there just to add a little bit more support of how we redid and redesigned the bathroom layout. But we were able to use scraps for that. So just anytime you do a remodel, and especially Ben, he is a clean freak. So after every job, he likes to really go in, keep it clean and neat, and just have a clean work area. And I have to agree, it just makes you feel better just getting some of that debris cleaned up, especially when you have such a mess like we do. But here is one of the sheets that he just removed this one when they came in, and we were able to salvage it. So he's just going to go back in now, and it's just going to be like a puzzle. He's just going to go in and kind of try to just replace the pieces and just screw them back in and get the floor back down. Because once we get the floor back down, we are pretty much ready for the sheetrockers to come in and do the sheetrock and put us some walls in.
Think that'll work. One more piece here and knock out the little toilet closet and we'll be good to go. So here we are. The master bath is buttoned up, complete with both layers of subfloor. Once again, feel like I put this subfloor down in this room 8 times. Shower's in. I got all the subfloor screwed down. All I got left to do, I think, before the sheetrockers get here, is you can see this wire right here with that outlet. That was the outlet, was over here, goes along with this wire. That was for the jacuzzi. So we're not going to have a jacuzzi, so I'm thinking I'm going to put that outlet over in our pantry for maybe a future use. We may even run a light off of it someday. I don't know. I'm just going to move it over there for now.
And a few things that we had to do, just kind of behind the scenes work before the sheetrockers comes. Ben found a little area where there was some scrap plywood, so he had to remove that so the sheetrock would, go up flat and flush. And then he also had to go in and put in a couple of support studs where we had taken out some or cut it away. So now I want to show y'all, the last video we showed y'all where the roofers had been here and we're putting on a new roof for the condo unit, and this area right here was a total mess. Well, just kind of wanted to revisit this and let y'all know the roof is on, so now we have a brand new roof, and they did go in and did a great job on the cleanup. Look at that water. And I want to tell y'all a little story real quick as we end the video. Sometimes when you try to make a huge decision in your life and you pray about it and you want to make the right decision, and that is how we were with this condo. We did a lot of praying on what we should do. And of course, we purchased it. We were sitting out on the balcony one day and I looked down, and this was a little rug that was left from the previous owner. I opened it up and I read that Greene home. And as y'all all know, our last name is Greene. I told Ben, this right here is just a sign that I feel like we did make the right decision. And hopefully one day this condo will be a very little happy home and a place that we can enjoy and have fun. Okay, y'all, we're going to close out the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope y'all are enjoying seeing our little adventure as we get this condo fixed up. And I know subfloors and bathroom fixtures are probably not that exciting, but to us they are, because that means that, you know, we get that stuff done, the closer we are to getting sheetrock in here. And I think the sheetrock is really going to pull it together. So I'm so excited to get to that point. As always, we appreciate y'all, we love y'all, and we will plan to see y'all again in our next video. Bye, y'all.